guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Peculiar and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just my at-home self-care routine, mostly things I do on Fridays. Guys, excuse my hair, but like I'm about to hop into the shower to show you guys, my simple little hair routine. See? Oh my god, my skin just needs some attention. TLC, tender loving care. Yeah, my face needs that right now, so I'm going to be using a clay mask and a sheet mask. This video is just basically to show you guys that self-care can actually happen at home. You can feel your best at home, feel luxurious at home. Just do anything you want to do at home. Everything can be done at home. Yeah.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 of my earnings. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain.
Guys, showering with the camera on is a lot. It's a lot to deal with. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. At least I showed you guys my little wash routine and it's okay. It's just okay. So let me show you guys what I basically use. I actually got this from my mom's pack. She uses it. She uses their relaxer. So I used to get it and conditioner. That's what I use. And my brush, it has my hair on it now. Now I just need to, shower, start my hair and put on my face mask. I'm out of the bathroom and as you can see my face is wet and my body is wet because I just finished showering and washing my face. This is the sheet mask I spoke about. I don't think I'll be using this anymore, but I can use this. So this is the sheet mask I spoke about. And I'm just basically just trying everything I can that's gonna work. I don't see how this is a face. Okay. I see it now. I see it. I think I need to use my mirror. So it says put mask on and leave for 15 minutes. Then after removing it, gently massage it with the product inside. Let me put on some perfumes. Although I'm not going out, but I still need to smell good. Oh, I need to run out to get some nail polish because my nails is currently on vacation. I'm always having this gel acrylic nails, so it's damaging my nails, and I'm always on nails almost every time, so my nails is currently on vacation. Back in my room where this whole video started, I have 1 minute. I just hope this video teaches you guys or just makes you guys realize that you can actually do your self-care at home and work with actually what you have and what you can work with. Don't forget to always drink your water. Yeah, very important. And with time, we'll just be able to, afford a, 5-star hotel treatment. You can just imagine yourself while you're doing your skincare. Just imagine yourself in a 5-star hotel getting the spa treatment that you deserve. With time. So for now, let's just fake it till we make it and work with what we have for now. Yeah. So my timer is on. Your timer is on, and time to like go to the bathroom and take this all off. Yeah. Did you see this? Like, I don't know. It has reduced so much. My skin looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think it came out fine. The hair is giving. I think it's giving for real. If this hair is not giving, tell me what else will give. And let's go outside to get some food. Like, mom is cooking, so like I need to go outside right now to get some food. I'll tell you guys how I feel about the hair later. Okay, so back. Today, so what I usually do is like watch TV. Sorry, watch a movie on my phone. Watch something, or YouTube video on my phone while I eat. Well, for now, I'm using my phone to film. Yeah. It's so good. Sauce down. My mom's stealing my food. If you usually don't journal, this is your sign to start journaling today. This is my journal. I usually write all my thoughts, my goals, and literally everything. And this is my gratitude journal. I write more on this than this, but like still, get yourself a journal. It's very important. I mean, self-care. Journaling is part of self-care too. I know. Self-care is very everybody. But like, still do what makes you feel good. I'm going to, get my nails, got my nail polish done because my nails is on vacation, like I said earlier. So I'll just get my nail polish done. I'm just saying get my nails done.
One eternity later.
Back to my room where this video first started. So first of all, before I end this video, I'd like to say I love my hair. Yeah, I love my hair a lot. Like, I usually would not do this, but like I just feel like why not? It's going to master my face with time. I know I look weird, but like it's still going to master my face with time. As time goes on. Yeah, so sorry about the noise. Like the whole house is like chaos right now. So I couldn't do my nails. Yeah, mom took so long shopping and I had to like wait for her. I hope this video helps you realize that you can do your self-care maintenance. I mean, this is your sign to take care of yourself. This is your sign to do your maintenance day, self-care day, hair day, nails day, read a book, journal. Just take care of yourself. Do things that make you feel good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah.